Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on the brand new 2021 Sailfish 290 center console. Just got this boat in, we got it in the shop rigging it right now. I'm standing up here at the helm. Got some nice seats, very comfortable. You can sit down or you got the bolster, you rise up standing. We equipped this boat very well with electronics. You got twin Garmin screens, your Fusion stereos here, Yamaha gauge. This boat has the Optimus joystick steering, which is a great option. Also here at the helm, up top you do have your Garmin VHF and a little room for storage as well here. And there is a radar dome up top. Nice thing that Sailfish does here is a nice console top organizer. Throw your phone, wallet, keys, anything like that that you don't want getting wet, and you got charge ports up there too. Just close it. Nice waterproof lockable storage right there. Under this hard top, you got speakers in it. It's two-tone. So you got this color here. You got rocket launchers up here as well. Now back here on the leaning post, you have a ton of storage underneath, and you can store gear, dock lines, you know, fishing lures, anything like that. Nice little sink, rinse something off with fresh water. You got two in-floor fish boxes on this boat, one on the port and starboard, and you do have a flip-up seat here. So when this is down, you know, you got a lot more space for running, and it has some jump seats that go in the corner here. Got rod holders all across the back. Twin 300 Yamahas on this boat, great power. Nice Ski Toe Pylon right here. Folds away when you don't need it, completely out of the way rather than carrying something around. And I'll walk past the helm here and go up towards the bow. Got nice access down there to your head. That's also where your table stores as well, which will mount up in the bow. Now up here in the bow, we do have a nice Yeti cooler. Put all your drinks in here, all your beverages, keep them nice and cold. You got this nice acrylic surround, keep you out of the wind. And if you do catch any spray on a rough day, or windy, you won't get wet. Now up here in the bow, you do have all this nice seating. This folds so you can sit facing back, and also gets out of the way, and they're completely removable too. Got storage in the floor and storage both on their knees here. This drains, which is nice, so you can pretty much put whatever in there, spray it out. You know, if you get that much fish, load up the back boxes, and you can use it up here too. This is where that table mounts. Goes on an L bracket. Sit up here, set out some food if you're hanging out at the sandbar with your family and friends. And this boat does as well have a windlass anchor which goes through the hull of the boat, and a flip-up bow light, as well as a couple bow rod holders up here too if you were drifting or casting off the bow, putting something away. Again guys, this has been Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're on the 2021 290 Sailfish. Gave you a little tour of this boat. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we may have here at MarineMax, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thanks.